So what is the most important thing to check if there was one thing to check? Let's talk about 1KDs, of course, right? Most important thing to check on a 1KD. What's the one thing? If there was one thing you were going to check, what's the most important thing? See that thing there? If I get the light in the right direction or something for you, we might be able to make it work. Checking that oil pickup there. See if you look through the sun plug hole. I'd suggest similar importance on any vehicle, but have a good look around. It's probably easier to see with your eye than me with the camera trying to shine a light up there. Not working out too well at the moment. It's not too bad. Right, see that? It's just oil sitting behind there. There's no carbon or anything. I haven't put my eye up there yet. I'm just looking at the camera going, yeah, that looks good to me. Why is that the most important thing? Well, if that oil pickup's blocked, right? If that oil pickup is blocked, then you might as well not have any oil in your engine. Okay, your engine's getting starved of oil. First thing that goes on these is bottom end. Okay, so you're just going to melt your bottom end bearings. Permanent engine damage, you're going to need a new engine. It's going to damage other parts as well, you know, in your head, it's alloy, camshafts and that's all going to cook and melt and damage the alloy. Things like that. And of course your turbo needs lubrication, that's one of the most important things. It's all going to get starved of oil. New engine, turbo, labour, a few other components, you know, 15, 20 grand later, probably closer to 20 to do the job right. Just be careful it's not a 20 rip-off thing. It needs to be a 20 do the job right, okay? Anyway, look, I just wanted to say that is the most important thing, and that's why. If you don't understand why it becomes blocked, you need to really go and watch our other videos. So as I keep saying, subscribe, turn the notifications on so you don't fall further behind, and the key thing is go back and have a look at our all our older videos. There's a lot of videos explaining. Just search on the channel, you know, injector seats leaking, blow by, whatever keyword you want to know about, just search that and you should be able to find something. And if there's anything, basically what we post is all the most regular things we see and do. So if it's a regular thing we do, then we post it obviously to show you this is what we do and how we do it, so it may help you. And obviously the few issues that come up and pitfalls, things you want to avoid happening to you. Like always guys, thanks for watching. Check your oil pickups.